Hello, my name's Liam and I work for Theraposture. We've been in business since 1981. We provide lots of very special products, problem-solving products, and we have something very new and exciting to show you today. It's not the Rotoflex, because that's been around for 18 years, but it is actually a new feature which is available as an option on the Rotoflex. And Denise is going to help me show you how that's going to help somebody potentially. So Denise, would you like to rotate yourself into the sleeping position? So by pushing and holding just one button, the bed is now tipping Denise back and lifting her legs up at the same time. So she will eventually end up in a tilting space cradle position where she can't fall backwards or forwards. Then the bed will start to rotate. And you can program the bed to rotate one way or the other. But what I'm going to show you is what happens once we're in the sleeping position. It's a world's first. It's only available from Theraposture. It's only available on a Rotoflex, and it's patented. So although there are beds out there that attempt to copy the Rotoflex, they cannot copy this. So Denise, we're going to lie you flat now. So your back is going down to a flat position, and then your legs are going to follow. So effectively you're now in bed, in the middle of the bed, in the sleeping position. But let's say you've got swollen ankles and you need to elevate your legs. We've got a button on the hand control which will do that. And I'm doing it now. So Denise's legs are being lifted up to a position to allow fluid to drain away. But you'll notice that it's not just her heel that's overhanging, it's quite a bit of her lower leg as well. And that can be a problem, particularly people who've got delicate skin, because there's a great deal of pressure on the edge of the mattress on the back of Denise's calf. And that's a problem for all rotating beds. And previously it's been the same for Rotoflexes, but not anymore. We now have a motorised foot section. So it's a separate hand control. This is going to electronically raise that once static part of the foot section, so it actually joins the elevated leg section to become one continuous sleeping surface. So you can see that Denise's heels are already in contact with that piece of the mattress, and her legs are fully supported. This is an absolute innovation. It's a world's first. It's only available from Theraposture. It's only available on a Rotoflex bed. Call us now, arrange an assessment, a demonstration. You can see how it can help you. Thank you.